Welcome back, beauty lovers, to Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted a complete holiday-ready makeup look without hunting for each product individually? Well, I've got something that promises exactly that. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss tips and reviews that elevate your beauty game. The set I'm exploring today is the KIKO Milano Snow-Kissed Holiday Timeless Look Makeup Gift Set. It's designed to cover everything from eyes to lips and comes packed with a volumizing mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, lip gloss, and lipstick. It's marketed as a gift-perfect selection for anyone who wants a sophisticated, complete look, and it's suitable for all skin tones and types. Right out of the box, the packaging feels festive and luxurious without being over the top. The eyeshadow palette offers a nice mix of shimmer and matte shades, ranging from neutral tones to more statement colors, which is ideal for versatile looks, whether subtle day wear or a dramatic evening glam. The mascara is designed to add volume without clumping, and the eyeliner has a smooth, creamy texture that glides on easily. The lip products are richly pigmented with a comfortable wear, giving you a polished finish that complements the eye makeup beautifully. In my real-world testing, integrating this set into my routine was straightforward. The eyeshadow applies evenly, blends smoothly, and doesn't fade throughout the day, which is essential for busy mornings or long holiday evenings. The mascara really does add noticeable volume without making lashes feel heavy, and the eyeliner stays put without smudging. The lip gloss adds a shiny, hydrated look, while the lipstick gives solid, lasting color. Overall, the usability is excellent, and I didn't encounter any frustration with the textures or formulas. There are definite highlights and minor drawbacks. On the plus side, this set is incredibly convenient, has high-quality pigments, and the products feel luxurious for the price. On the downside, while the shades are beautiful, the eyeshadow palette could benefit from a few more universally flattering tones for those who prefer very neutral daily looks. Also, the lip gloss, though shiny and smooth, may require reapplication after eating or drinking. In terms of value for money, this gift set performs well. Considering the range of products included and their quality, it feels like a solid investment for someone looking for an all-in-one solution, especially during the holiday season. Compared to purchasing each item individually, this set offers a cohesive color story and convenience that makes it worthwhile. The build quality is impressive. The packaging is sturdy and visually appealing, making it gift-ready without extra wrapping. I didn't notice any issues with product longevity either. The eyeshadows and lipsticks maintain their pigmentation over multiple uses. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. KIKO Milano is generally known for reliable customer service, and although I didn't have a direct interaction this time, their reputation suggests they're responsive to inquiries or product issues. If you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, some brands offer individual eyeshadow palettes or lip sets that can create similar looks, but they may not provide the same all-in-one convenience or holiday-ready presentation. To sum up, the KIKO Milano Snow-Kissed Holiday Timeless Look Makeup Gift Set delivers a sophisticated, versatile, and user-friendly experience. It's perfect for gifting or for anyone who enjoys a ready-to-go, polished look without the hassle of assembling multiple products. While a few shade additions could make it even better, the overall quality and presentation make it a winner for most makeup lovers. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to grab this set in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.